Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. Several years ago, I spent some time in Europe, and I will say one thing that I noticed there is the water. It was so good and different from what we can get around here in the United States. So this water from Socosani is a beautiful, beautiful choice that you can get at home. I've been enjoying it because I like the flavor of it. It's really, really smooth and refreshing. You can actually taste the natural minerals and elements that are in the water, and you can tell a difference compared to drinking it from the tap or from other bottled waters as well. In looking up their history, I thought it was so fascinating that they take this water directly from a source in Peru near a volcano. So you just know that you're going to be getting some natural minerals and additives in it that come in naturally and are just so good for your health. So you can tell from the texture of the water. This is the still. It's perfectly clear, and again, it just has that really nice refreshing taste. I've loved drinking it both at room temperature and cold, and it's just been really great. My family has been enjoying it as well. So it's nice to get that naturally sourced water from Socosani, and that's my point of view.